So here's your big exercise. This is probably going to take half an hour, 45 minutes, something like that. And I'm not really going to go over the instructions. I'm going to just let you look at it. Let's put it that way. But there's going to be some things where you need to download or something of that nature. So make sure you do that. And if you can't, please let me know. But other than that, you got a lot of manipulation of code to do. So we're finally done giving you everything, done explaining everything. Let's see if you can manipulate it. So I'm going to step out here and have you guys read it over. Please stop and work on the exercises, and I will go over answers here in a little bit. Good luck. So here's number 3 and number 4. In number 3, there's the code. Honestly, it's a copy and paste from the original that was given to you. There's nothing different. Number 4 is very different. We have our insert at front function, which is actually a copy of the insert function. There's a lot of similarities to it, and there's a minor difference, big difference at the end. But first, the insert still happens. We still put data in there. All that's the same. It's the linking that's very different at the end, and that's what's being highlighted now, where we have our insert link equal to the front, not the rear, and then we go ahead and make that new insert the new front because, again, we're adding to the front of the list. So for number 5, I wanted to have you check out something. Is that number 5 for the code in the driver, in what I give you, I don't overload the node. So notice I had to give both a name and test grade to just access the values from the node pointer that we returned. So notice the function below. It's not super hard, thankfully, but we do a const because we're not changing the node, and here's the node pointer here. We're just going to return the front of the list, and the exact same thing would be used for getting the back of the list because we have a rear pointer. So this one actually wasn't all that hard. Finally is adding val as a target to our make file. So notice the command itself is nothing new. There's nothing surprising about it. It's just adding the target val, and then it'll automatically do it when you type in make val. So again, notice the nice little features of adding little dumb little things that frankly make our lives easier in a make file.